To transfer or move XRP from Robinhood to a cold wallet. The process is relatively easy and quick. First, connect your hardware wallet to your phone or laptop. Then open the companion app's dashboard website and log in to your account. Next, click on the Receive button, which will prompt you to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive, in this case, XRP. After selecting XRP, click Continue. Then connect your hardware wallet to your laptop and confirm the request to obtain your wallet address. Copy the wallet address. Then open the Robinhood app and search for XRP by typing it into the search bar. Select the XRP option. Scroll down and click on the Send button. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer in your local currency and click Continue. You can either scan the QR code from your wallet using your phone camera or enter the wallet address manually. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, including the wallet address and amount. Then click the Transfer button. Once completed, your XRP will be moved from Robinhood to your cold wallet.